The events that preceded 30th of October swept us off our feet, especially in the legislature. But the few of us who believed in our dear governor stood firm. Were confronted by some persons. And I remembered one day, I called His Excellency. And I said, Your Excellency, please, sir, remember, I have court case. At that time, I was the only one that had litigations in court. And I was crying. And I spoke to him. And very softly, he said, don't you believe in God? While I was fidgeting, I said, yes, sir. I believe, sir. He said, don't worry. God is in charge. And I said, thank you, sir. And today, I am proud and happy that just like the Chief Judge said, when history will be told, when it will be written in times to come, by God's grace, our names will be written in gold. That we did not just defended our dear democracy in River State, we protected the sanctity of the people of River State. His Excellency, our dear Governor, I have just one appeal, sir. Please, wherever you draw your strength from, continue, sir. We, who are your boys, let me use that word. I do not have any other master. I do not have any other mentor. You are my mentor and you are my father. And so long as God giving us life and grace, I will continue to follow you. I will continue to support you. The legislature will continue to support you and follow you to whatever end. Thank you very much and God bless you.